Hey everybody, this is David with Parts and Pieces. This is my new YouTube channel. I started this YouTube channel because of a set of used off-road gator tires for a four-wheeler and a broken down lawnmower sitting in my shed. I had both of them sitting in the backyard one evening, and I was sitting there brainstorming, and I looked over at the tires, I looked over at the mower, and that's how it began. The next day I stripped it down, put wheels on it, or put the four-wheeler tires on it, and went from there. It evolved. I started finding some videos on YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and give a few shout outs to a few people. Let me think about this. Fearless Front, buddy, you were the first one I started watching. I love what you do. I love the videos. Very entertaining. I learned a few tricks from you. We have Redneck Computer Geek, buddy. I like your stuff. I like what you do. It's right up my alley, the way you go about things. I watch a lot of your stuff. I want to give one shout out to somebody that lives in my territory, kind of close. I found him on YouTube, and to be honest with you, I think he's really the person who pushed me over the top to do this. It was a lot of his videos. I really I don't know, the stuff he does, I gears towards what I do a lot. You take something that's worth nothing, and to most people a piece of junk, and in your eyes you already blueprinted out what you want to do with it, or about 4 or 5 other possibilities of what you could use that broken down piece of whatever it is for. I do that all the time. That's me. So the guy I was talking about, he pretty much does the same thing. That's what caught my attention. Chud 327. He's in Florida. That's me. I live in Florida too. I'm a Florida boy. Like I said, I watched a lot of his stuff, and I kind of just rolled with it. This thing ended up being a example of my wild imagination coming out, I guess. I just had fun with it, to be honest with you. My kids had a little to do with it. They helped me pick the colors out, name, all that good stuff. It's a really interesting piece of equipment. I think y'all will find it interesting what I did to it. Well, I do, and I know some people will. Like I said, it's my first video. Go easy on the comments, guys. I know some of this stuff on this thing maybe a little unorthodox. I have tested it. I have tried it. Pretty good, you know, test with it, as in seeing what exactly it'll do before I did come out here and embarrass myself. But I think you'll be shocked. I'm going to give you a walk around real quick, and then we are going to get to some riding of it. This is what I want to show you. And I think everybody's going to like this. Maybe. All right. There's a little heartbeat. You're going to be asking yourself, why did he go buy a Predator motor to put in a riding lawnmower to make a mud mower? All right, my other one blew, obviously. I wasn't going to rebuild it. I wasn't going to try it. I didn't want to. I don't have time. Not for that. I don't mind doing it. Done it plenty of times. I just didn't feel like it with this one. So I was going to get a used motor, but for whatever, you know, all the used motors I could find around here that I wanted, the price range, I was like, I can go buy a brand new one. It ain't going to be as big, but I can go buy a brand new motor so my boys can drive this thing around. No problems, no issues. But putting a lawnmower motor, pressure washer motor, whatever you want to call it, in a riding lawnmower that's beefed up with tires this big kind of makes you wonder. So I kind of threw some things around in my head. I looked up the specs on it, read them, looked up a few other things. I came to the conclusion it would work. I don't know how well it would work. I don't know how long it's going to last. And hopefully y'all stick around to see how long this thing's last, because it could go now. It could go 6 months from now. I don't know, but I'm going to test it. So far, it's been a great little motor. It is a 173cc, 5.5. I bought it at Harbor Freight. I think it was like $140, $150, brand new. A little bit of a warranty, which was nice because I don't know what exactly is going to happen. Press the gas just a little bit. Very quiet. Very quiet. All right. Let's go have some fun. Sorry about this. Like I said, I'm nervous. This is my first video, guys. I hope y'all like this. Like I said, my video quality will get better, I promise. I'm gonna start out in second. First is like really, really torquey, so let's start out. All right. I really don't have a plan, guys, on what I'm doing. Like I said, I'm in y'all's seat. I don't know what this thing's gonna do and how it's gonna act, so let's try it out. Woo, I don't know. It's a mud mower. What's this? Whoop. Hey, see? Y'all are with me on this. All right. Let me get it back up a little bit. Oh, we don't flip this thing. Oh, wait. All right. Let me get up here. There we go. Come on. You know you want to go. There we go. All right. Well, let's do this again. Oh, I don't know if I can make it up from a dead start or not, but we're going to give it a shot because I know y'all want to see, right? I do too, to be honest with you. I do love how easy it is to start. I am waiting on that cord to break though, so don't laugh if it does. All right, we're gonna try it first. Give it a little bit more gas. But try not to flip this thing. My wife told me not to hurt myself. All right, I don't know what that was, but let's try it now. I'm gonna turn it around. I know the GoPro doesn't give you the best, like, I don't know. I tested it out. I didn't really care for positioning it right here for y'all guys. I'm gonna make brackets for this. They're coming. I'm gonna take you and show you actually how steep that was. Might as well go up this one too, right? All right. You cannot go up in fourth gear. Found that out. Come on, baby. Get in neutral. Are you gonna go there? All right. There we go. Come on. Okay. Now that I know you can't do that, let's try it in second. See? Nice. I hope y'all are comfortable on my chest. I'm trying to make it nice. There we go. All right, guys, we'll just go first. He is a crawler. He likes to crawl. He's low geared. Sorry if my voice cracked. I'm having a little fun right now. Anyhow, watch this. First gear, no problem. So I'm pretty sure second gear will be fine. We'll test that out here in a second. This is second. Let's go over here and see how deep that hole really was. I just climbed this big mower out of. We might go back down it too. Yeah, probably. All right. Hold on. Woo! All right. It's not so bad, to be honest with you. I'm pretty comfortable. Don't worry about the cactuses. I didn't tell y'all that. I have 0 tire pressure in it. No tire. It's just a tire slapped on. They're heavy duty enough. It holds it up. It doesn't. I've drove it enough, so it is what it is. It works. I don't have to worry about air. That's why I don't have to worry about the cactuses. Right on. All right. Yeah.
nuts are a lot better than what I thought it would do, especially for a little motor like this.
Guys, I really appreciate y'all taking the time to sit down and watch the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, comment down below. Let me know what you think about the machine. Let me know what you'd like to see. Maybe I know the mud thing's coming. I have to make plans to do that one. Find me a good place to video. That's one of my main things. I want to get this thing in the mud. That was a test. I'm happy with it. I found a few flaws. Obviously I need a new cord, but that'll be okay. No big deal. I'll tweak a few other things on it, make a few videos with that. But really, guys, we're gonna make some mud videos. I got it planned. I just got to get it done. Again, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace out.